Hey friends, Sheree here. Welcome back to the channel, Gardening at Home with Sheree. Well, I am out on this beautiful morning about to open up my new seed starting kit from Greenstalk. This was an unnecessary purchase, totally. I have plenty of seed starting trays, but I wanted to have this tray set mainly to test out, but also to have this as the tray set that I use for sowing seeds that'll go into my razzleberry green stalks. So let's get this open. Okay, so here is the kit. Oh, these are really deep trays. This is perfect for what actually I intend to use these to start. So yeah, so it comes with what, 6 by 6, so 36 cells. They're very deep, and they have these covers, and then they sit in this tray. And so you'll see in a future video where I'll be putting my razzleberry green stalks, but I'm going to go ahead and get the seeds started today with y'all, because I'm not quite ready to assemble the green stalks. So let me go get my seeds. Okay, so this is the bottom watering tray. This is the tray that holds the individual seed starting trays above the water, so you can lift this out, water from underneath, and set this back down. And then, like I said, there's 6 sets of these, which I love that. These are things I'm going to be starting outside. I have, of course, a lot of seeds that I start indoors here in Minnesota Zone 4, but I have a lot of seeds that I always start outdoors. And yeah, time to start those. The high today, let me see what it's going to be. Yesterday it got close to 90 in the garden. Yeah, well, one area hit 90. I have thermometers, different locations, and so some of the areas that sit in full sun hit 90. And yeah, that's not the first time. I mean, we've had very warm Mays in the 6 years. It's my 6th season here in Minnesota, and so I'm glad that the irrigation is back on. So that the watering can be handled. So it's a perfect time to get these fast-growing seeds started. So I pulled the seeds. I'm gonna get these filled with my soil that I'm gonna use to start them in, and I'll be back to show you what I'm gonna start. All right, so I got 36 cells sown. There are a few of these that I did double, so I did 2 cells out, but a lot of them are single, and these are all cucumbers, so different kinds of cucumbers. And so all right, friends, let's do a quick update on our cucumbers. I actually forgot about them. I had them under this table in the greenhouse, and I have not been watering them or anything. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to take this back up to the hillside garden, or maybe I'll just put these outside and so they can get sun, because they've been under this table in the greenhouse not getting any sun. But I got germination in a lot of things. A lot of things are just starting to come up like this. I don't want to move the soil because I like to force them to break the soil themselves. They have to show their strength and break that soil on their own. So a lot of them are starting to come up. And so I'm happy that they have survived, given that, see, there's another one just breaking the soil. So I'm happy that they survived, even though I forgot about them for a week. So yeah, I'm gonna get these outside the greenhouse, get them watered, and then I'm gonna start transplanting them as soon as they get their first set of true leaves. Yeah, none of them have their first set of true leaves yet. So probably in another couple days. I could transplant them now, and I might go ahead and transplant them now. They're big enough for me to see that they are real plants and not weeds. First succession of cucumbers are looking good. Yeah. So pleased. All right, friends, we're gonna wrap this video up. It's been 2 more days of germination, either starting or, you know, complete in almost all the cells. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and get these transplanted, and then any ones that didn't germinate, I will sow a bunch more seeds directly in there, or maybe I'll set up seeds somewhere else because I want to put the seed starting system to use with a different group of crops. So I'm thrilled so far. I just think it's pretty, and I just love these you know, bigger, deeper cells. You can kind of see the roots develop really nicely all the way down there. So I'm gonna get these transplanted, and like I said, sow the ones that didn't seem to germinate yet. And yeah, move forward with the next seeds for the garden. So I'll see you back here again then. Bye.